Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Tumbler tutorial. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Mal and I make Tumbler tutorials here on YouTube. You might notice that my hair is a little different. I went a little darker. I just wanted to let you know you might see some intros with my old hairstyle. I've been kind of batch filming and doing things in sections. I've got some things scheduled because I'm moving soon. So if you see my old hair in some future videos, just ignore it. This is what I look like right now. So anyway, the tumbler we are going to be making today in this tutorial is a very girly, sparkly, just kind of cute tumbler design. It's very easy to put together. And I'm also going to share with you a little hack that you can use if you have decals that are super intricate and would just take a lot of time and headache to weed. So I'll show you that hack in this video. And yeah, this one was really fun and easy, perfect for beginners. So if you enjoy it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. I upload brand new Tumbler tutorials every Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, I think that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. We are starting with a fully prepped 30-ounce modern from Craft Haven. I'm going to base paint the cup using Boreal Pink from Montana Colors. It's a really pretty pale pink color. And once that's dry, I'm going to go in with my Crystalac glitter glue as the adhesive for my glitter. You can use whatever method you prefer. Sometimes I use the epoxy method, sometimes I use the glitter glue. They both work great. So the glitter we're going to use is called Pink Nighty. It's from PDB Creative Studio, and oh my Lanta, it is one of the most beautiful glitters I think I've ever seen. I love it so much. So I'm going to cover the entire surface of the cup with this. Look at that. Oh my, wow, I love it. So anyway, once the glitter dries, I let the glitter glue dry at least 2 hours. I'm gonna go in with the same glitter glue again and seal all of my glitter. This helps us use less epoxy. And as I brush on the glitter glue, I kind of push the glitter down to make it lie flat. As you can see here, as I'm applying the epoxy, the glitter is lying pretty flat, so we're not going to have to do a ton of sanding and just give ourselves a hassle later. So I added 2 coats of epoxy to the cup. Each one was about 20 to 25 milliliters. And now I'm going to go in and do all of my sanding. So while I'm sanding, technically, I'm going to show you the vinyl we're going to use. I'm going to use 3 different vinyls from TeckWrap Craft. So I've got Glass Flower Fuchsia, Hollow Cloud, and then I also decided to use this candy color vinyl in the rainbow stripe pattern as the background for my butterflies. So I will have this file linked down below in the description. I cut out a bunch of butterflies in both the Hollow Cloud and the candy color rainbow stripe pattern. For the main quote decal on our cup, I'm going to use a file from the Lettered by Stephanie SVG Club. This one says, "Allow yourself to be happy." And this file really comes in a circle. I just got rid of the circle and printed out the wording by itself. So I did the offset in the Rainbow Stripes candy color vinyl, and then for the top main decal part, I did in the Glass Flower Fuchsia vinyl. And now this is a curved tumbler we're going to be applying this decal to, so I cut my decal into 2 separate pieces so I can place the top part, as you can see here, and then I'll place the bottom part, which is just the word happy, down below and avoid any issues with the vinyl wrinkling or, not moving or forming around the curve of the cup. I did have a little bit of trouble still because of the curve of the cup, but I just kind of peeled my transfer tape off as I applied the letter to, or the word to the cup, and then used my tweezers to help it lie flat. There was one little spot, as you can see here, where I had to cut a slit in the letter and then help it lie flat. Once I put the main decal on top, you won't be able to see that. It'll just blend in and be totally fine. So once I had the offset down, I went in with the Glass Flower Fuchsia vinyl. This is so reflective and beautiful. Oh my gosh. It just like catches every single light and it's so pretty. So once I put it on, you can't even see where I cut that slit in the offset. So I'm going to apply the top decal to the rest of the quote here, and then we'll go in and apply all of our butterfly bottom layers. So with the butterflies, I'm just going to apply them all over the cup. I cut them out in 2 sizes, so I've got some bigger ones and some smaller ones that I cut out of both that hollow cloud vinyl and the rainbow stripes vinyl, like I said. And I'm just going to place these all over the cup, as you can see, and then I'll go right into another coat of epoxy to seal all of these in. Once that coat of epoxy is all cured, I'm ready to add the outlines to my butterflies. Now, what I did, instead of cutting these out of like black vinyl and having to weed all of these little pieces, I just printed out the outlines onto clear water slide paper, and now I'm cutting them out by hand. I did seal them with 3 coats of matte clear spray from Rust-Oleum, the 2x1, not the enamel one, and I'm going to apply the water slides right over the top of those butterfly outlines that we laid down earlier. And that's going to be our outline. So to save you some weeding trouble and the frustration of having to do all those tiny pieces, you can just cut them out of water slide. And because these are going on a really light background, you can't see the edges or anything of the water slide, but you'll be able to see that black ink pop really, really well. So I'm going to apply those outlines to all of my butterflies, as you can see. I do go over how I apply water slides in a bunch of other videos, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but I like to use wet paper towels, this silicone makeup brush, and then dry paper towels. So once those are all applied, I'm going to let them dry about an hour, hour and a half, and then I'm going to go in with my final coats of epoxy. I only did one final coat, an actual final coat on this cup, and once it was all cured, we are all finished. So here is the final result, shining in the full sunlight so you can get all of the reflectivity. Is that a word? Reflectivity of the vinyl and the glitter. So that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss any of my new videos. I upload brand new Tumbler tutorials every Tuesday and Saturday. So I will see you in the next video. Okay, love you. Bye.